Honorable F.J. Mulder.
Thank you, Honourable Chair of Chairs. The Freedom Front Plus acknowledge the work of the Community Safety Portfolio Committee in scrutinising Budget Vote 10 for the 2026-27 financial year. Oversight is essential, but oversight alone does not keep Gauteng communities safe. Results do. Our province continues to face an unacceptable crisis of violent crime, lawlessness and public fear. Residents do not experience safety in statistics or reports, they experience it in their streets, businesses, schools and homes. Unfortunately, this budget does not yet inspire confidence that government is matching the scale of the crisis. Honourable Chair of Chairs, the Freedom Front Plus has the following key concerns. The Department of Community Safety and its entities continue to miss critical targets related to crime prevention, response times and oversight of law enforcement agencies. The Freedom Front Plus believes that measurable consequences must follow repeated failure. Communities are crying out for more visible policing, functioning patrols and rapid response capacity. The Freedom Front Plus believes provincial resources should prioritise practical frontline safety interventions rather than administrative expansion. Crime is not contained by departmental silos. At present, cooperation is inconsistent and fragmented. Modern crime fighting depends on intelligence LED policing, CCTV integration analytics, and real-time information sharing. Investments in technology must translate into operational capability, not procurement headlines. Chair of Chairs, residents increasingly feel abandoned by the state. Delays in emergency responses, corruption allegations, and inconsistent law enforcement erode confidence in public institutions. Without trust, cooperation with police declines and criminals become bolder. The Freedom Front Plus proposes to redirect spending toward visible policing, patrols, support and rapid response capacity, strengthen oversight of SAPS and Metropolitan Police through transparent performance dashboards, to expand partnerships with community policing forums, neighbourhood watches and rural safety structures, and to accelerate the integration of CCTV networks and crime intelligence systems across municipalities. In conclusion, Chair of Chairs, Gauteng cannot afford another year of budgets without meaningful improvement in public safety. The people of this province deserve more than compliance and reports and unfulfilled plans. They deserve a government that acts decisively against crime and restores confidence in the rule of law. The Freedom Front Plus will continue to support effective oversight. Thank you, Chair of Chairs.